So 1200, 361.
Welcome to another video, guys. It is post-auction, and I'm here to pick up this trailer that I bought for $1,200 as a big mystery pallet, cut open just enough to see some parts, some tires. But I think we did pretty good on this. I'm gonna try to make a little profit, and we'll see what's inside of there. But even, come on, look at these alloy crane booms. You got this aircraft cable you can make a zip line with. Yeah. And I don't know about those welds on the tongue. That's bolted. This guy's giving them the auction special. Paint job on site, get them posted. Well, the axle hasn't fallen out and the trailer's towing pretty good. I hear you barking. What are you barking at, mister? Mr. Sunpatch? It's a nice day out, huh? Alright, let's see if we're winning or losing on this deal. Boy, these ramps are really heavy duty. And that's such a sweet design. Check it out. Oh no, I brought homebred ants. Look at this. ATF Police Marine Bureau. This is actually a nice little Craftsman chest. Not ball bearing slides, but real thick steel compared to the modern stuff it's made of. Here's what we got so far. A couple of these heavy duty galvanized winch mounts for boat trailer. 3 of the aluminum cranes. These have a safe working load of 600 pounds. And this little bracket, a brand new throttle or shift cable for boat. And then all this aircraft cable. So I got one spun out, and this is 88 feet. I'm gonna roll it up, weigh it. So I'm gonna see what our total is, and then dive into that. If nothing else, getting a good workout for today. And this is 5/8 cable. I was just looking up online. You can get a 150 foot spool of this for $386. So it's got some value to it. "88 feet, 67 pounds. I got 88, 70, and 101 feet. And we got one more over here too. Now for the big prize, let's find out if it's all junk in here or some value. I'm just gonna kind of dig through this, and we got some 4.8 by 8 trailer tires. Like hydraulic hoses, or probably a boat power steering hose, brand new. A radar, used Garmin radar. I know these are not cheap. This could be worth something whether it works or not. Boy, there is a lot of stuff in here. Okay, we got lots of power steering hoses. Some new in box with the part number, so that's nice. This is all power steering hose. And a tire box full of replacement nav lights. Brand new trailer leaf springs. A tri-ball hitch. Pretty nice. We got an entire box full of OEM Evinrude Johnson and Bombardier parts. Lots of ignition coils and such. So I'm gonna go through, see what's good, what's not. Stabilizer bars from Trailer Hitch. More OEM parts. Yeah, I'll probably just post this all up as like a bulk bundle, maybe to a marine dealer. Would probably want a lot of this stuff. They're not gonna pay top dollar, but fuel filler, high quality stainless. That's it. That's the big prize. I'll see what I can do here money wise, and then of course there's a trailer, so I don't think we're doing too bad. Well, after going through everything, here's what I'm thinking. I'm gonna put these up for 250 bucks. This entire part lot, I'm thinking, I don't know, 450. If one of you guys watching want to make an offer, feel free. But like these hoses, new in box, these are $130 a piece on eBay. You have all these marine grade electric cord connectors. Wow, that's heavy duty stainless. And of course, the all OEM parts, mostly Evinrude Johnson BRP. New in box stator, and of course some of this stuff sat out in the rain for maybe a short period of time, but everything seems really good. I don't see any water that made it into packaging causing issues. The trailer, I don't know what the heck that's worth. I might actually even keep it. Kind of a sweet little unit. I am going to keep one of these cranes for who knows what type of project, and then this raw galvanized 1/4 inch thick steel, you know, stuff comes in handy. Also kept this full box of random stuff. I got these really nice quality marine grade butt connectors. Kept a bunch of bulbs. The factory OMC battery switches. Really lots of good stuff in here. I'll keep the tool chest because I like it. Already lubed up the sliders. This retail $1,800 on these. Of course, I don't know if it works, but it seems to be, you know, they wouldn't have kept this stuff if it didn't work. They would have just tossed it. So I'm assuming it was working when removed, and I don't know, I just put it on Marketplace for I think 700. I listed that. Who knows? It's worth something for parts regardless. And these aqua signals, these are actually German made and really high quality. I saw some selling for $100, $200 on eBay. So maybe for this whole bundle, I don't know. Anybody wants to make me an offer on this stuff, feel free. Actually really like this trailer. It's a 6.5 by 12. I think we'll re-weld the gate on, get the hinge going, and I gotta weld the front jack plate on. It's bent, broken welds down there, but I love that it's got the riveted on tag, 1986. It's just a really good heavy duty quality built trailer. Like the new stuff, if you get on a corner and you bounce on it like this, the whole thing will be flexing like crazy. This, barely any flex at all. Just, I mean, just a really nice trailer all around. And I love these old timer touches, like the gate pins. Somebody welded these little pins with the spring loader on, and that way when you drop it in, you just spin this over and it spring loads down so it can't pop out. That'll do it. Hit it across the bottom too. It will not be breaking again. And actually, change of plans. I was gonna do the gate right now, but I got somebody lined up to come look at the Jeep. So let's see if it'll fit on the trailer. Don't think we need a tailgate for that, right? And hey, fits like a glove. Good test for that jack. Well, I think we'll cut the video here. Definitely hold on to this trailer for a little bit. I'll see how I like it, and if I keep it, then I'll probably shoot it with a coat of black Rust-Oleum. I do have some brand new tires on here that came off the Raven boat trailer, and the one that was on the right side here is actually brand new to it, a Goodyear, so I'll have a spare for it. Got to extend this out, but I think we did pretty good at 1,200 bucks. Now, nothing has sold yet, but I do have it all posted. Have several people interested in the radar, so we'll see where that goes. If you're interested in anything you saw, you know, drop a comment or get in touch with me, and I'll get back to you. Just wanted to show you guys on this clapper. I'm going over a few last minute things before we leave on our trip. Here's an example of keeping something that I didn't need at the time, but worth it. Originally, when we had a Lance camper, I had these swing out dually truck extensions, and don't have a dually, but I still kept them when I sold that camper, and I'm glad I did, because you can see these jacks were in the way of the boxes. They could only open about yay much. And over on the other side, you can see how that would be a huge issue, because it has to open fully to be able to open your drawers. So I was just stoked to have these in the hoarding collection pile. So it's just an example of keeping something I didn't think I'd ever need. Now came in handy, and that makes me happy. Those ain't cheap either. They're like, I think $350, $400 for a set of them. Anyway, appreciate you guys tuning in. Hopefully you enjoyed the seeing what was on the trailer. I know I did, and I'll see you guys at another auction soon, right? NNKH, over out.